topic we're discussing is very ambiguous, you see. It says the armed forces thrashed India and Pakistan. So how do you interpret this? India and Afghanistan. So did they, thank you. So is it that they thrashed us or armed forces thrashed hyphen India and Afghanistan, by India and Afghanistan? I don't know. Let us first start this up. General Saab, did your unit run? Were you defeated? Did you lose 500 Rafales? सच बताइए सर.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल पता नहीं कितने रफेल थे और कितने उड़ गए. So the problem that runs actually within the armed forces is very peculiar to it, and it goes back all thanks to Ziaul Haq, who shifted it from normal education to radical education since 1986. And the differences are so deep. The Sindhis, Baluchis, Pakhtuns, and the northern area people, which is what they call the Gilgit-Baltistan areas, northern areas, they are refusing to fight. And they are openly saying this is the fight created by the Punjabis. Send the Punjabis and you fight. And every time Asif Munir loses, he pumps himself up by one appointment. Post-op Sindhur, he became a field marshal. I call him a Khet marshal. And post the fiasco on the Durand line, now he's making a constitutional amendment and he'll become a president for life and he'll control Pakistan for life. So, Promax Glide, you can call it whatever you will. That's the tragedy of the armed forces. That the soldiers are now questioning that the people whom you are asking us to fight against want Sharia law. And right from my school days, I have been taught that Sharia law is the best in the world. So now there is a crisis of identity in the armed forces. So to divert that, he will say, I downed so many Rafales and so many S-40s disappeared and this has disappeared and that has disappeared. Even Trump has caught on to that. He first gave a certain set of tail numbers and suddenly finds that those same tail numbers are doing the Coop America exercise. Now he wants to revise the tail numbers. Now what do you say about both these people? Who is leading whom up a garden path? Thank you.
True. I just want to point out that International World President Shri Donald Trump ji has never actually said who lost 7 aircraft. 8. You see, it was actually 500 aircraft. I don't think people realize it. The Pakistan army is actually just 20 kilometers from the border right now. They're poised to enter Jaipur. Adi, I wanted to ask you specifically, what is this psychology that Pakistan has? Where, they lose and they celebrate loss. In 65, they lost and they celebrate it as, Air Force Day or something. No, Armed Forces Day. And they also, this time, Kargil also they celebrated as a victory. I think the only loss that they never celebrated as a victory was the 71.
No, that's a victory.
Yeah, they won in the Western Front. Yeah. Okay, yeah, fair. So, talk us through the psychology.
You see, even if one of them survives, it's a victory. If Asim Munir is sitting in his bunker, what's the name? If he's sitting in his bunker, wo akela bachta hai, he'll still win. Because it's not about Pakistan. It's never about Pakistan. Let's go back, partition, 47. Churchill told Lord Mountbatten that please take care of the Muslims. They're special for us. There was a reason. What was the reason? Because the great game, they wanted to have something to tickle the Russians with. So who did they find? The Pashtuns. Now from there to 47, great game, 47, and then comes to the point during the Soviet Union when the Soviets allegedly were invaded Afghanistan. Do you know that the जो आपका इसका जिहाद स्कूल बनाए थे, मदरसे बनाए थे उस रीजन के अंदर, thousands of them suddenly came up, thousands, पता ही नहीं चला कहाँ से आ गए. उसका जो सिलेबस था, that was written in the University of Nebraska. यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स से लिख के आया था. उसके अंदर सवाल होते थे, एंड आई जस्ट 4 कम्युनिस्ट और 9 कम्युनिस्ट रोड पे जा रहे हैं, उसमें से 5 को मार दो तो कितने बचते हैं? ठीक है, दीज वर द क्वेश्चंस. ये इनको सिखाया गया था. Because you also have Pashtuns like Frontier Gandhi, Bacha Khan and all these guys who didn't do much. वो असली थे, इनको दिमाग खराब किया. This is supposed to happen in Pakistan. वो सोवियत यूनियन के टाइम पे किया, उसके बाद दोबारा इन लोगों ने करा 9/11 के बाद. ठीक है, उन्हीं को यूज करके उल्टे काम कराया, ये करा वो करा. They used to strike inside Pakistan. They created the TTP. सब कुछ यही इन लोगों ने ही करा है. और आज क्या हो रहा है? The same thing. So it's never about Pakistan. Pakistan, it's allowed its victories because it suits the larger motive of the game. और कुछ नहीं है.